Going for a date but your face is not ready? Try this new makeup hack. सबसे पहले we'll start with foundation to even out the skin tone, followed by lip balm to soften the lips. Up we'll use the concealer just enough to cover the under eyes and spots. And also lines around your nose and lip area to make the skin look even and spotless. Highlight करना सबसे important part होता है makeup का. So I'm going to tell you a few tricks to highlight your eyes when you're going on a date, and you will see that आगे जाकर in the video. Make sure कि you don't overdo या underdo your concealer, क्योंकि वरना आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा cakey लगने लगेगी. So just make sure of that. Now I'm applying some concealer on the forehead also, ताकि face पर एक overall bright look आए. And now spray some setting spray on the sponge and just blend it out. Don't rub the concealer on your face, just dab it. And after that we can move on to contouring. Take a flat brush and contour the jawline, below the cheekbone and also the nose. In case you want me to make a video on contouring, let me know in the comments. Make sure कि जब आप nose contour कर रहे हो, be very careful as it really makes a difference on the shape of the nose that comes up. And don't forget to shade under the nose and just above the tip of the nose, so that you can get the perfect shape. Use some highlighter in the center of the nose to make sure your nose looks sleek. And highlight the tip of your nose to make it look a little pointy and upward. Now blend the makeup using the brush upward to get a proper shadow effect under the cheekbones, and also downward brush movement for your jawline. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो, the face looks slimmer and nose looks sleeker. Now it's time for some cheek tint. Again, while blending, the brush movement should be upward so your face looks lifted. Next, we'll bake the under eyes and below the cheek contour and gently just dust it off. I usually prefer tint or liquid blush on eyeshadow because they don't create such a mess and you don't need skin tape to apply them. Next we'll give the eyebrows just a little shape and हल्का सा draw करेंगे so that it looks natural. Just remember to apply upward strokes at the end of your eyebrows to give a lifted look, so that it looks lifted and natural. Obviously also make sure that they are symmetrical. Now we'll just apply some lipstick and then eyeliner. I'm just winging it right now. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on how to use eyeliners, okay? For this particular look, I'm using eyeliner only on half portion of the lower eyelid to make the eyes look simple but bigger. Video के end में I'm gonna tell you a hack to make your eyes look even more prominent. Now let's gloss things up. A pro tip, use some gloss on the tip of your mouth to make your lips look extra plump. Now I'm filling half my lower eyelid with kajal at the waterline to finish the eyeliner. And then I will just smudge it to give eyelash shadow effect. Just make sure to keep it very subtle. And finally, my favorite part of makeup, highlighter. Just highlight under the brows and on your cheekbones. I love the way this highlighter perfectly makes the light bounce off my skin. Now almost completing the look with mascara. Make sure to have covered upper and lower parts of your eyelashes. And yeah, obviously don't forget your lower lids. That's also really important to give your eyes a good shape. And now finally this look is done, and now a final savage tip for those who watch till the end. Use highlighter in the inner corner of your eyes to get this stunning savage look. Trust me, this little hack is a game changer. All in all guys, I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments what other videos you'd want me to make, and subscribe for more. Until then, look classy and stay savage.